Hey guys, Mitch from Redwater Dodge here. Many people ask us, can you actually factory order a Ram 3500 through Redwater Dodge? Yes, 100%. That's literally how you get the exact truck you want. They'll sit down with you, inspect the whole thing from the ground up. Trim, color, axle ratio, towing packages, everything. Because here's the big thing. If you want something that's something like a 373 or a 410 gear, high output Cummins, dual rears, ASIN, fifth wheel prep, you're usually not finding that sitting on the lot. There's a factory order truck, those options are fully buildable. You're not stuck with preset packages. Next question, how long does it take? Real world, usually a few months depending on the build and production scheduling. Heavy duty trucks with very specific options can take longer, but you're getting exactly what you want. Now here's the real one everyone asks me. Do factory orders still qualify for incentives? Most of the time, yes. You typically get whatever programs are available when the truck lands and you take delivery, not when you order it. And there have been loyalty and bonus cash offers specifically on 2500 and 3500 models in Canada. And for my business owners, can fleet customers factory order? That's actually one of the biggest reasons fleets do factory orders. You can build multiple trucks identically. Same gearing, same payload, same upfit prep, so everything in your fleet matches. So if you're tired of compromising on trucks that's close to what you want, factory ordering a 3500 is how you get the exact workhorse you actually need. If you have any questions, give us a call at 780-942-369 and we'll try our best to help you out.